We'll return to your program in just a moment. When it comes to your gardening questions, visit the experts in blue here at Bluemel's Garden and Landscape Center, where I am with retail manager John Lewandowski. John, how much water do plants really need?
Well, plants are a living thing, Elizabeth, so they're going to depend on water to survive. The key is how frequent you water.
Now, do you suggest watering lightly or heavily?
I recommend that you water heavy and very infrequent versus regularly and very lightly.
Now, what do you suggest during the hot summer months, though?
During the hot, humid months that we get in Wisconsin, plants will drink moisture out of the air. So you want to tone down your watering a little bit. Always let your plant dry down because then the roots start searching for water and you establish a stronger root system.
How can someone tell if they're overwatering?
Your plant will let you know. The leaves will droop a little bit. You may experience a little bit of yellowing, but it'll let you know. So if your plant looks like it's stressed, check the water.
Good information. For more gardening tips, visit Bluemel's Garden and Landscape Center.